In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best plasma cutters available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the plasma cutters mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Bestarc 65A Plasma Cutter with Digital Display. The Bestarc 65A Plasma Cutter offers precise cutting with advanced IGBT inverter technology and a digital screen display for real-time monitoring. Its built-in air pressure sensor ensures optimal performance, while the PT/2T/4T/PA function allows customizable cutting time. With a max cutting thickness of 20 mm at 65A and 70 psi, it's ideal for professional and DIY use. Get high efficiency and reliability at a great discount. Originally $682.26, now just $300.20. Number 4, PLASMARGO Pilot Arc 55A CNC Plasma Cutter. Designed for industrial applications, the PLASMARGO Pilot Arc 55A CNC Plasma Cutter delivers stable cutting with advanced technology. Its user-friendly design ensures easy operation, while the durable build guarantees long-lasting performance. This cutter increases productivity with efficient, time-saving operation, making it perfect for workshops and factories. Get precision cutting at a budget-friendly price. Available now for just $250. Number 3, HEROCUT Cut 55P Advanced Plasma Cutter. The HEROCUT Cut 55P Plasma Cutter is designed for heavy-duty use, cutting up to 16 mm thick with speed and precision. It features a high-frequency arc start and an advanced air conditioning system with preset pressure. Its adaptability to variable power supplies makes it versatile for different work environments. Ideal for industrial applications, this powerful machine ensures efficient metal cutting. Originally priced at $299.99, it's now available for $182.99. Number 2, CNC Non-HF Pilot Arc Cut 80 Plasma Cutter Machine, perfect for cutting thick metals. The CNC Non-HF Pilot Arc Cut 80 ensures safe, high-performance operation with an 80A power supply. Its non-HF Pilot Arc technology enhances precision and safety, while the easy CNC system connection adds versatility. The 60% duty cycle at 80A guarantees consistent output for heavy-duty cutting tasks. Originally priced at $724.76, it's now available for $541.07, making it a powerful investment. Number 1, ANDELI Cut 50D/Cut 50DS Plasma Cutter. The ANDELI Cut 50D/Cut 50DS is ideal for cutting stainless steel and alloy with a 40A HF pilot arc. It features a non-touch pilot arc for clean cuts and long-lasting performance. The package includes essential accessories and a free plug converter for easy voltage switching. CE certified for safety and quality, this plasma cutter is reliable for professional and home use. Originally priced at $546.67, it's now available for $300.67, offering great value.